Hi everyone, just a quick video to show you how to plot to scale. So as you can see here, it's just an addition to our house. Someone just wanted a corrugated roof next to their house, between the boundary wall and the house. So there's a few ISO views, side views, front view, top view, and this is all drawn scale 1:1. So if I want to print out an accurate drawing, let's say on an A3, I'm going to have to scale this drawing to fit it into A3 size. So for that, you go to layout. I've already inserted the A3 drawing border here on the layout. So first what you do is you go to view, viewport, and you insert a viewport into your border. Now you can see as soon as you do that, it's going to show everything that's in your model space. It's going to show everything you have in your model space. So if I have a drawing over here, it's going to show that as well. So it's going to zoom extend to whatever is in your model space. So to select a scale you want, you just go here to the bottom to the scale of the selected viewport. The first thing you have to do is to zoom extend. So you make sure the drawing is in the center of your viewport. So then you just select the scale you want. Say 1:125. It looks very good. It fits to the A3. Another thing, if let's say for instance you just had scale 1:100, so it doesn't quite fit into the border. What you can do is you can go to custom and you can say add. And you can make your own custom scale. Let's say I wanted to make a custom scale 1:150. So for a paper unit, one paper unit, you have to have 150 drawing units. And then you say OK. And then you can go into the list and select the one you've just created. So 1:150 is going to make it smaller in the border, but it's still going to fit. So all you do next is you type Control P to bring up the print function, and I'm gonna, for this example, just select drawing to PDF and select the A3 border, because I know the border I put in there is A3 size. So you can see it fits to paper, but you can see it's very close to 1:1. And you can preview the drawing and just print, and then you just save it wherever you want. Thank you for watching.